logo is a graphic symbol that designates the business. The logos are typically placed on the front of the building, on letterheads and envelopes, and on advertisements. It's important for a logo to be easy to read and recognizable. Every designer will give you a slightly different definition of what makes a great logo, but basically you can boil it down to the 3 fundamental logo design principles. Appropriate the logo as relevant in form and concept to the client and its industry. Simple. A logo has to be focused on a single story, and in most cases it must be uncomplicated in form. Memorable. While the form must be simple, it must also be distinctive enough to be easily remembered. Process to design a logo. Step 1. Discover, get to know the client's business. Step 2. Research. Learn about the industry and competitors. Step 3. Brainstorm. Develop ideas and decide on art direction. Step 4. Sketch. Create logo concepts based on strategy. Step 5. Design. Select best logos and execute them digitally. Step 6. Present. Show logos concepts and get clients' approval. Step 7. Deliver. Export logo files and create a style guide. Types of logo. Monogram mark. Word mark. Letter mark. Pictorial marks. Abstract logo marks. Mascots. Combinations mark. Emblem mark. Dynamic mark. Eight awesome logo design apps. Canva. Canva is an amazing app with so many powerful features, and because of that we can define it as an image editor, infographic creator and photo collage maker. Pixlr. Pixlr allows you to do all the basic editing such as resizing and cropping. In addition to a huge number of awesome filters to add artistic effects, it has approximately 2 million filters. Infinite Design. With this app you can create vector graphics and beautiful designs with ease. The UI is simple and beginner-friendly, you can walk through the interface and discover how to use it on your own. Logo Maker. If you're a self-made entrepreneur with a fresh business under your belt, and you need to make your logo on your own, you don't necessarily have to possess advanced skills to get a professional logo with minimal time and effort. Logo Maker Plus. The app has a huge database of graphic items that varies from images, backgrounds, icons and more. You can choose any element to add to your logo. Z Mobile Logo Maker. If you're a self-made entrepreneur with a fresh business under your belt, and you need to make your logo on your own, you don't necessarily have to possess advanced skills to get a professional logo with minimal time and effort. Z Mobile Logo Maker. Logo Factory app. Developed by Logo Factory development team, this app has been rated very positively as the best logo creation app for your business. Picked. You'll be able to create beautiful pixel pieces. So if you're looking for an out-of-the-box pixel-based logo design, this app is for you.